all set? Okay, I'm just gonna get going then. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome to BOOZHOO Nano BOOZHOO, a New Year's Eve special. And I'm gonna start right off by saying Mino, Oshki, Biboon. Happy New Year! Mino, Oshki, Biboon. Happy New Year. And that's our Ojibwe phrase today. Mino, Oshki, Biboon. Oh, and what a year it's been. All right, you ready to count down? We're going to count down from 10 in Ojibwe Moan. All right. Ready? Okay, let's do this. Midaswi, Jangaswi, Nijwaswi, Nijwaswi, Ngodwaswi, Nanan, Niwin, Niswe, Nij, Beijig, Mino, Oshki, Biboon. Happy New Year!
Should I acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should our acquaintance be forgot and days of all things for all things my dear, for all things should our acquaintance be forgot and days of all things
Hoa! Mino, Oshki, Biboon. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year's!
And thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nano BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'd like to thank Natasha for her song, and I will see you again. Giga waba min, minowa, hoa. Yeah, nicely done. Happy New Year.